Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. It's freestyle week, so I decided I wanted to review the Revlon Salon One Step Hairdryer and Volumizer as promised in the February monthly review. So the hairdryer I'm using in this video is the Revlon Salon One Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. That is all that was in the box, nothing extra. It's just plug and use. What I did earlier in the day was to wash my hair, and I had put some twists in it initially, thinking I would let it dry out that way, but I forgot I had the new hair dryer, right? Typical. So by that afternoon, my hair was still pretty wet. I had put some hair oil in it as well. Big mistake, as you'll see later. I'm filming this in my bathroom, so I hope you can still see the effects of this dryer. I have a regular hair dryer that I use, but I would use a comb with it and hold the dryer at the same time, and that usually would take forever. You know, like those commercials. Usually the left side will look awesome, but for some reason I could never get the right side done right with holding the comb and the dryer at the same time. I wish I could have shown you here, but you know what I mean. This was a rush job and this hair dryer came through. We were going out, that day, so I had to hurry up with blow drying my hair, and as you see, the most I did was run the dryer in my hair about 2 to 3 times and boom, it's dry. My hair is natural, so after a couple of days I started losing my shine and straightness. There's basically 3 settings on this dryer, and it's set to off. Then you can either go lower or higher in intensity and heat. I don't know my hair type, but I do remember when I first started blowing out my hair at the Dominican salon, they used a tenderizer of some sort to kind of soften my hair, or I don't know, so it's not as thick and puffy. After that time, my hair has been a little bit on the softer side. As you can see, my curl pattern was starting to form already, so maybe next time I will dry my hair. I'll dry my hair out this way without using the blow dryer. It's been a very long time since I went to the salon to professionally blow out my hair, so this will definitely keep me away from them the more. So basically the smoke you're seeing here is a result of the oil I had placed in my hair earlier, and I know what not to do next time. If you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comment section. The only thing I noticed on the dryer is that the spikes that are not rubberized, that were all straight before, started, becoming crooked. Like those hair salon ones that have been overused. I could have flat ironed the ends as well if I had some more time that day, but I didn't, so oh well, next time. My hair length is it shoulder length or breast? I don't know. Breast strap length? Please let me know in the comment section. I don't know. That's all, peeps. I'm a lover of peace. Ask questions if you have any. Don't hesitate to leave a comment as well. I'm hoping to read from you awesome people very soon. You can like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and also to get notified of newly posted videos, please click that red button and subscribe now. Let's continue to love our neighbors as ourselves, and remember to rest in peace. We all need to be living in peace. Stay blessed, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye bye.